Hi bakers, I'm Crystal the Cake Lady, and today I have a very special guest, my favorite nephew, Wyatt.
But I'm your only nephew though.
You are my only nephew, but you're still my favorite.
Still only.
So today I'm not so much the cake lady as the s'mores lady.
But it's literally raining outside. How are we gonna do s'mores?
That is an excellent question. We're gonna be making a delicious s'mores dip in the oven. Let me show you what you're gonna need. This recipe is really easy. All you need is milk chocolate morsels and a bowl to melt them in, some miniature marshmallows, an oven-safe pan, and some graham crackers.
And baker's joy. Always got a baker's joy.
No, actually we don't even need baker's joy for this recipe.
You're kidding.
I'm not even kidding.
No baker.
Okay, so I have emptied our milk chocolate. No, Wyatt, stop it! What's the matter with you?
Alright.
I have emptied our milk chocolate chips into a bowl, and Wyatt's gonna put them in the microwave for us. We're gonna melt them at half power. Hey, I saw that.
My bad.
Okay, Wyatt, go ahead and take it out and give it a stir. All right.
I don't look like it's melted enough.
We'll give it a stir and let's see.
Ooh, gooey.
Ooh, looks good. We're not quite there yet, though.
Hershey's.
All right. Let's give it another 30 seconds and then we'll check it again, okay?
Side.
All right, let's check it again.
Ooh.
Oh,
Looks so
yeah.
good.
That's actually perfect. It's all melted and silky smooth. Thanks, buddy. Okay, since this is just right, I'm gonna go ahead and put it into the bottom of an iron skillet, and then we'll have Wyatt put some marshmallows on top.
Ooh. That looks so good.
It is gonna be epic. This is gonna change your life.
This is gonna be better than the ones on the campfire.
They actually are. I really think they are, because you never have to really worry about burning them. So, all right, I'm gonna spread this out. Go ahead and get the marshmallows. All right, sprinkle a little bit on top.
Is that enough?
No, keep going. We want it all around the edges and everything, like a nice even layer. Are you eating the marshmallows too? Actually, we need a little bit more, Wyatt.
Pre-meal snack.
Okay, here
Them
we go.
marshmallows are good.
Okay, so now I'm going to turn on the broiler on the stove, and we're gonna put this on the middle rack and let it go for like 2 or 3 minutes and then check it and see if they're getting brown on top. I always do broil on low because I'm a chicken.
Just look at it. It looks so good.
I know. Okay, we're checking it after 3 minutes. It's not quite ready yet.
But the marshmallows have gotten a lot bigger though.
They're puffing up, but it's not quite ready. Let's give it 1 more minute. All right, I think, oh my gosh. Can you see it?
They're huge.
Does that look amazing or
Looks
what?
great.
Wow, I cannot wait to try this. Okay, so we have broken up some of our graham crackers, and now we're going to go ahead and dip it in. Be careful, okay? It's hot. All right, our first dip. Here, let's do a little cheers. Ready? That's good.
Water.
Cheers.
Ooh,
You love it? Oh my gosh, that is so good.
Y'all need to try this. It's really good.
You're gonna want to make this every time you come over, aren't you?
Here's one.
Well, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Me and Wyatt really appreciate it. And until next time, happy baking.
Bye.
So today, I'm not the cake lady, I'm the s'mores lady.
I'm smart. Wait, what am I saying?
Okay, so I have emptied our milk chocolate chips into the bowl. You.
If I actually burn it though.
If you burn this, open it up. And make sure you get some chocolate from the bottom. Oh, you're doing better than I am. Hi bakers, I'm Crystal the Cake Lady, and today I have a very special guest with me. This is my favorite nephew, Wyatt.
I'm your only.